Quick look at some of our top weather concerns on this Saturday, July 7th. We'll begin in Southern California, where we're talking about some of our heat-related concerns. We also have some hot weather on the way for parts of the upper Midwest, where we'll also see some strong storms develop later tonight and into early tomorrow. But we begin in Southern California. This was the view in Los Angeles as the sun was coming up earlier this morning, and it's getting hot quite quickly. The National Weather Service has some excessive heat warnings in effect for these pink shaded areas. That includes the Los Angeles area, extending northward and southward from there. The orange shaded areas also indicate the heat advisories, and of course also extending inland into the desert, where we also expect to have some warm weather throughout the day today. The projected high temperature in Los Angeles today, 100 degrees. The previous record on this day is 96 degrees, which was actually just set last year. So it's certainly possible that we would be breaking that record as we get into the afternoon. Feeling the warmth all the way down towards San Diego, where high temperatures will be in the mid-80s today, and even up through San Francisco, where high temperatures are expected to be in the low 80s. We then turn our attention to the upper Midwest, where we're also expecting some warm weather. National Weather Service has heat advisories in effect for the orange shaded areas, which impact portions of North Dakota, South Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. And it's in those areas that the high temperatures will be in the upper 90s and into the low 100-degree range through the afternoon. But it's also in some of those same areas that I want to turn your attention to on the model data here, where we'll see some storm development later into the evening hours and into the overnight. And some of those storms may be severe. So the Storm Prediction Center has placed parts of that region under a slight risk for severe weather, as indicated by the yellow shaded areas, with the marginal threat dropping down to include portions of Wyoming and South Dakota.